Today I wanted to make this video because I just came across something which I like. I think I was pretty lucky. I just found this on Facebook as one of the sponsored advertisement. I genuinely do not actually trust or believe on the sponsored advertisements sometimes they show on Facebook, because you never know what sort of website you're going to end up with and how their services and everything is. The first one I ever come across was Pat, and I absolutely in love with that website because it's such a nice and cute clothing for kids. I just wanted to share with you guys what I found, and let me tell you one thing, I was surprised when I received it because it's such a good quality, such a good selection, and I think I'm going to carry on with this subscription because I can see the value in the money, and it wasn't that expensive. Talking to you guys about today is a subscription box. This one is called No Make No Life, and this is from, it's a Japanese company. Oh yeah, it's from Japan. So apparently this particular box contains Korean, Japanese skincare and makeup products. So it has 8 full-size items. This is the packaging looks like. It's a really nice pretty pink box. This dent was happened I think during the shipping, which is a bit shame. And then you get their website over here, No Makeup, No Make No Life, and you open the box. Now I placed the order of this box just before Christmas, and they shipped it I believe on 26th or 27th of December, and I received this box last week, middle of last week. So their shipping was pretty fast for some, like it's coming from Japan, and usually if we order something from States, especially in Canada, clearing the customs and all that stuff, it can take up to 10 to 15 days. But this actually arrived like within 10-11 days. I was quite surprised. I was thinking like I'm not gonna get it like end of January because it will take so long with the customs and with the whole shipping and everything, but I was quite surprised it came out quite early. So this is the box, so I'm just going to open it for you guys. As you can see, it has a really nice quote up here saying, "Hey beautiful, love your box, share and tag," and then you can find them on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All their handle is exactly the same for all three social medias. And then you got everything wrapped in a pink, really nice pink paper, and you open the pack. This is how it looks like. Now my camera is pretty far right now, so I really need to upgrade my camera because I have to keep getting up to do the zoom in and everything. So I'm just going to try to do the box close to the camera so you can see everything. So this is the box. It has, as I said, it has 8 full-size products, and it comes with a little booklet as well. So the booklet contains all the information about all the products. They send it to you in this box, so you can see every single thing they send you. It's written over here how to use it, and what are the best feature of that product, or best what is the best thing about that product. So it's all written in this book. And the quality of everything, box, the paper quality of this booklet, everything is super duper good, like really really high end, if you can say. I paid 20. Now if you take their yearly membership, monthly membership, and quarterly membership, I think they all are different. Let me just grab my phone and I'm going to tell you exactly how much I paid and how much it is. Just this is how the website looks like. Pricing. Okay, so for 12 months, if you do the 12-month subscription, the box will be costing you $31.50, and the shipping is free. So bear with me, shipping is free. So it's $31.50 USD. Okay, so oh my god, now they start giving me bloody promotions in between. And if you do 6 months, then it's gonna be 32 USD dollars. If you do 3 months, then it's gonna be $33.50. And if you do just monthly subscription, then it's $35. So I only took the monthly subscription only because I wanted to see how the box is, what it comes in, if it's worth it or not, or if I will like it or not, if it would be my kind of thing or not. But I think from a cost perspective, if you like everything, if you are into that Korean and Japanese skincare and makeup products, you'll be better off going for either 6 months or 12 months, because you will save some money in that. And as I said, the shipping is free. So the first thing is Misha 3D mascara. I haven't opened anything in the box yet because I just wanted to do this on the camera so you guys can see where I got. And oh my god, I hate opening these packagings. These are so annoying. So this is how it looks like, and it has a really nice thick wand, as you can see. I hope you can. And it's a 3D mascara as well. So it says in the book, make your lash dreams come true now. This mascara by Misha promised to make your eyelashes long and voluminize. So I already have pretty long lashes, but if this is one of your concerns, this might be the mascara for you. It says tip: heat your lash curler with a blow dryer and curl your lashes before applying this mascara for the best result, which most of us do that anyway. Stinkle Lip Tint in Healthy Red. It says the Stinkle Lip Tint is shaped like an adorable tiny light bulb and has a nourishing ingredients like argan oil and castor oil. Not only does it feel light on the lips, the color also stays on well, and it has a lovely apple scent. Now, I'm not really sure about the apple scent. Apple scent is one of those scents which I personally do not like it. So I don't know if I'm going to enjoy this product or not. So it comes like in this box, and the shape is really cute. It is literally like a light bulb, as you can see. It's just literally like a light bulb. So it says take a selfie tip. Take a selfie with this cute lip tint to up your Instagram game. Let's see about that. Keep owning a pretty red color that is perfect for daily use or night out. Ah, okay. Okay. I just had a lip balm on. It's pretty light. It's not really intense red. Okay, the wand is pretty small. I don't like that. It's pretty small, but then again, it's not supposed to be really large or anything, as the packaging is pretty small as well. But I don't know if you can notice or not, I just applied only one layer. To me, it has a texture of a lip balm, kind of like a lip oil, I will say, and it has a very slight red tint. It's not a bright red lips, it's just gonna give you that natural redness on your lips. I kind of like it because you know what, you don't have to put this on with the whole makeup. If you're just popping out to a shop or just going to a gym and you want to still put something on, I think this would be a good option. So I might try that today when I go to gym. Okay, the other thing I want to point out is you really need to refer to this book, because most of the products, the back instructions are either in Korean or Japanese. There is no English written on it, so it might be a little difficult. Like, I'm one of those people who like to know the ingredients in the product before using it. So, and they haven't mentioned the ingredients in this book. That's the only downside I find so far, because I would like to know what exactly is in that product before I use it. Box is the soya milk extract facial cleansing foam. As you can see, it's pretty good size cleansing foam, and I personally think this will last me around a month. And I like wash my face quite a lot, so I personally think this will. Look at the way she's hiding. So this one, again, there is no ingredients or no English at the back. It's all written in Japanese, I believe. The brand is called Komuno Cosmetics, because that's the only English thing I can see. Or at the front it says containing soya milk extract, furnishes the skin with the moisturizer. So this is the gentle facial cleansing foam has natural ingredients which remove dead skin cells and dirt while moisturizing your skin at the same time. Tip: use this face wash every morning and evening for the best effect. Do not forget to rinse. Of course. That made me laugh a bit. So take wedges, which is just a makeup sponges which you can wet and use it. Again, it's just a standard makeup wedges. I just don't know any special thing to say anything about it. The only thing they said is in the tip section, put the sponge under tap water and see how huge it becomes. Gently squeeze and you are ready to apply your foundation flawlessly. Key point: super soft and multifunctional sponges. So next time when I'm doing my makeup, I'm going to use one of these and see if it's as good as Beauty Blender or close to Beauty Blender. Next product in the box is Etude House My Beauty Tool ET Shower Ball. So I believe that's that thing. It's really nice shower ball. So I'm currently using like a shower body scrubber kind of thing in my bathroom, but most likely I will give this to Sahiba because of this little cute kitty on top. It looks so cute. Look at it. So luckily this one has English instructions at the back too. It says this lip patch makes your lips smooth, soft and kissable. Tear open and apply to lips. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove. And then it just shows me the all the ingredients, which is pretty good, because as I said, I'm the kind of person who likes to read the ingredients before putting anything on my face or lips or whatever. Whether it's a makeup or a skin product, I like to read the ingredients. So I'm quite looking forward to try this, because I have tried many Tony Malloy's sheet masks and other masks, and they are pretty good. The next one is a Flower Bouquet face and body soap. So this is kind of like just a standard soap, and it has it again, I cannot see any ingredients at the back because it's written in Korean, and but it says in the book, say goodbye to dry skin. This moisturizing flower bouquet face and body soap will help you through the cold and dry winter. So I might open this today and try it and see what, especially on my hands. I don't like using soap on my body or on my face. For some reason, it's just, I tried it many times, it doesn't work for me, even though they say it's pretty good. They'll really give you moisturize and hydration. It never happens to me. My face and my body skin gets really dry. But it says, especially for dry winter weather. So I will give it a try, but on my hands first and see how it goes. And the last, but not the least, the item in the box is Fruit Slice Sheet Mask Pack. Now I've tried this, like I've seen this on Forever 21's website, something similar to this. So I never used it, so I don't know if it's exactly the same thing or not. But again, the ingredients at the back is all written in either Japanese or Korean, so I cannot read it. But in the book it says, give your skin a boost with a pack of these fruit slices sheet masks, which come in either banana, pineapple or kiwi. You will notice how the patches moisturize your skin and improves its elasticity. Use this once a day for the best results. Tip: place the 12 slices shaped patches anywhere on your face or body and relax. Key point: includes natural ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, allicin and herbs. Now, as I said, I've seen this before on Forever 21 website, and I was so close to buy them last time, but I didn't. But now I got this in the box. I might just try this today straight after doing this video, and I will post it on my Instagram story, let you know what I think of these, because I just moisturized, I had just showered, just moisturized my face. I haven't applied any makeup on, and I was thinking about putting a sheet mask on just to give a bit of a hydration to my face, because as I said, the eczema is quite flaring up around my mouth and on my forehead, and just above my eyes. I'm not really sure what's going on. So if you do take the subscription of this box, please do let me in the comment section below. I would love to see when you receive your boxes, what do you think of the products, and if it suited your skin or not. I will update you on every single product as I'm using it to let you know how it actually went with my skin. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. I will be posting another video very soon with the makeup look. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, so every time I will post a video you can get the notification right away. And I shall see you guys very soon. Have a good day.